So the last program in your textbook is write a program to using user-defined function to check a string is palindrome or not. So palindrome means a string is called palindrome if it is read same as back as forward. So forward direction and backward direction it can read at the same way, then that string is called palindrome. So the better example of palindrome is Malayalam. So Malayam. So you can front and backward, it is all same as Malayalam. So another example of palindrome is AMMA. So it is forward and backward the same way we can read. So that such a type of string is called a palindrome string. So in your textbook that string this is also using the string function. So but we cannot use any string function. So because function is not our syllabus, so we can write that program in a simple way. So look at that. So I will show how to write that program in a simple way. So first we can input a string, str1 is equal to input string. So then I use I is equal to 0. So then I use j is equal to length of string minus 1. So here I variable is used to uh, move from front to left to right of the string, and j variable is used to move from right to left to the string. So here I use a flag variable. So you can use any variable a, b, c, x is equal to 0. So first I set flag is equal to 0. So then I start our loop for I less than or equal to j. So here 0. So this is means, so our I value means the leftmost value of the string, and j value means the rightmost value of the string. So the left index should be less than or equal to the right index. So whenever the j value is greater than I value, that our program will be exited. So here inside the loop we just check that if str1 of I, so str1 of I means the left side, str1 of 0 not equal to str1 of j means the right side of the string. So first letter and the last letter we need to compare with the first letter and the last letter. So for a palindrome number, first and last letter is same, then the second last and the second last letter and the second letter is same, then the third last and the third letter is same. So here if any letter is not equal to, which means that that thing is not palindrome. So if there is any not matching is found, so that time we can set a flag is equal to 1. So here initially flag is equal to 0. So here if there is any not matching case is found, not equal, here not equal to, here any not matching is found, then we can set that flag variable is equal to 1. Then we can break from that loop. So breaking means it is automatically moved to this pattern. So if there is for example, if it is we are using string AMMA, so here first A and last A is equal, then next M and second last M is equal to same. So here look at that, if there is not equal to is found, then it is automatically go to this I equal to I plus 1, j equal to j minus 1, which means that I value is incremented to the right side, j value is decremented to the left side. So here I is moved to the right part and j is moved to the left part. So finally after completing the while loop, we need to check that if the flag is equal to 1. So if the flag variable is equal to 1, then we can say that that string is not palindrome, because if the flag is equal to 1, whenever there is a mismatching is found, so otherwise flag remains 0. If the flag is not equal to 1, which means that flag remains 0, so we can say that string is palindrome. So this is the simplest program to find a string is palindrome or not. So we can just run this program. So here first I enter string. So here AMMA. So look at that, this is string is palindrome because here a right from the left to right and the right to left we can same as read as AMMA. So this is our program, because here I value start from A and J value start from the right side A. So here the next I value become M, the next J value become the second last M. So here it is moved, I value is moved to the left to right and J value is moved to the right to left. So this is the using of string, how to find a string is palindrome or not by using simple method. So you can write this program in your textbook. That program is using function. So function is not in our syllabus, and you can write this program only. So this is our last program in this chapter.